Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 300 amp 0 to 18 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Take a walk around here. The unit has been fully tested, checked out at Lanco. It's in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second. It is wired for 220 volt, 3-phase. Does have Variac controls. You can see the knob there in the front. Overall dimensions, 18 inches long by 30 inches wide by 17 inches high. And to start it, you lift up and turn the knob. There goes the volts, there goes the amps. Very slight wave here on the O-scope. Very nice quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.